Hey everyone, want to optimize your NotebookLM sources for better answers? In this video, I'll show you how to prepare, organize, and manage your sources so NotebookLM can generate more accurate and helpful responses step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and open the notebook you want to improve. Next, review all the documents in your notebook and remove any outdated, duplicate, or unrelated sources. Keeping only relevant information helps NotebookLM focus on the right content. Now upload high-quality source materials, such as PDFs with selectable text, Google Docs, research papers, reports, and well-structured notes. Before uploading, rename your files with clear and descriptive titles so you can quickly identify each source later. Next, organize your notebook by grouping documents that cover the same topic instead of mixing unrelated subjects together. If you're working on a large project, create separate notebooks for different topics, clients, or research areas to keep your knowledge base organized. Once your sources are uploaded, allow NotebookLM to finish processing every document before asking questions. Now ask specific questions instead of broad ones. For example, request summaries, comparisons, key findings, timelines, or explanations based on your uploaded documents. Always review the source citations in NotebookLM to confirm that important answers come from the correct documents. Finally, update your notebooks regularly by adding new sources, removing outdated information, and refining your document collection over time. And that's how to optimize NotebookLM sources for better answers. By using relevant, well-organized, and high-quality documents, you can help NotebookLM deliver more accurate insights and make your research workflow much more effective. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.